Sai Ram. So this week, Baba's message for all of you all. I thought I will, spread the cards and I will talk. So Baba's journey or my journey with Baba has been real long. To be very precise, I think I would say it has been there from my birth. So most of you all know I was born in Mumbai, but I was brought up in an area where in Madapur there was a Baba's temple. There is still actually, which is very famous, and I was blessed to be just 5 minutes of walking distance from there. So I used to go to his temple almost every day by walk, but I never used to go on Thursdays because I used to tell him, Baba, everyone comes and sees you on Thursday, so I will not come that day. And there have been days when I used to just stand out because I should not enter the temple, so I used to stand out and look at him and just come back from there. I have just understood one thing in my 40 years of journey is that he loves you for what you are, and you should just go to him and stand in front of him. You don't have to tell him what you need. He knows what we need and he knows what it is that we desire. Because I was just reading the book, my Sai Satchitra book, and the chapter came for Bhimaji Patil, where this guy Bhimaji Patil has a chronic disease which is almost like a tuberculosis, and what he does is he writes to Nana Sahib that, Nana Sahib, this is the health issue I have, now what shall I do? So Nana Sahib says there's only one thing, go to Baba's feet, and he is there to help you, and he will help you to come out of it. When I was reading this, I just know one thing, even in my personal experience, if you have faith in him, just surrender it to him, and whatever it is not going to trouble you anywhere, because where there is faith, there is no fear. And Baba always says, Shraddha and Saburi. So faith and perseverance, you have to have patience. And in his case, you have to have a lot of patience, because many people come and tell me, Pinky ji, I just love Baba. Baba is my lifeline. But why does he test me? Because you're his lifeline, he tests you. But end of the day, he will not let go of you at any point of time. That this is my own personal experience also with him. There have been lots of ups and downs in my life which I cannot even think about, that was I the person who suffered so much. But till date, I have never gone and asked him that why me. But I have understood one thing, if he's doing something, then it is for a cause, and that cause definitely is something worth, because even if you see here, he says, whatever troubled you are, the moment you step into my place, then there is happiness. So that is Dwarkamai actually. So that's why even I always say with a proud feel that I have named my house Dwarkamai, because he is there everywhere. You don't have to go to Shirdi to see him. He is there everywhere. Your house is your Dwarkamai, where Baba is going to be there with you. And Baba is going to always bless you and guide you in whatever way you want. Okay, so now I think too much of talking I have done. So I will start and I will just take a card out for Baba. Okay, see the card also. Now that's amazing. However distant my people may be, I draw them to me just as we pull a bird to us with a string tied to its foot. So that's amazing. He just says, I pull you all. And he does. If you see this card, he does. He just calls you and he just helps you when the time comes. Last week I remember I couldn't post Baba's message because I had completely forgotten that it is Thursday, and I had not taken the video. And suddenly one of my clients comes for a tarot session and she says, today is Baba's day. I have gone to Baba's temple and I have come to you directly. And I was like, oh my God, today is Baba's day. So he reminds me. The day I forget him, he is like, excuse me, today is my day. And where is my prasad, or where is my offering? So that's how he is. He just pulls you. So today, don't worry about whatever it is. Just get attached to him, and he is always there to bless you and guide you. Now coming with this cards, because I always take 2 cards. Okay, so it says, beyond horoscopes, it's Sai's grace. It is only me who shall rescue you from your karma. So yes, this also I do. Many of you who follow me and who are my friends and clients know I don't believe much in horoscopes. I don't believe in anything, but I just believe in the mantra which is said here, Om Sai Namo Namah, Shri Sai Namo Namaha. This is the only mantra which I believe in. There have been times when people say, when I say people, I just say my own family members say, you don't take care of your life, you don't take care of your health. I just tell them one thing, he knows what I am and what I am capable of and what I am not capable of. So he will take care of it. In fact, in horoscopes, when people say, no, time is bad, time is actually bad. But when they say time is good, it doesn't happen itself. So I just tell everyone, surrender it to him. He is there. Keep your worries, everything here. This is the place you need to keep, and he is going to just take care of it. If you want to fight, you can fight with him, because I fight with him sometimes when it comes for my clients. For me, I have not fought with him much, but I do fight with him whenever I feel okay, I should fight. But ultimately, I would say one thing today: those who are watching this video, just put on in YouTube Om Sai Namo Namaha and let that music go for some time. Just hear it, close your eyes, pour out all your worries to him. You don't have to sit and tell him, just look at him and just touch his feet, and you will feel as if all your worries are just getting transferred in his feet. And believe me, he is going to make you come out of the solution, come out of it. He is going to give you the solution that you need. So that's about my Shirdi Sai. So many people ask me, you love Shirdi Sai. For you, is it Merlin or Shirdi Sai? Let me tell you one thing. He has been with me lifelong. He came to me in my life when things were just under chaos and I just didn't know what to do. So for me, he and he are one and the same. For me, my Merlin and my Baba are one and the same. Whenever, if I get something, good to eat, or if I get something which is my favorite, I just say, Baba, thank you. There are so many people who have not had this food today. I'm thankful to you. So I say, thank you, Merlin. Thank you, Shirdi Sai Baba. Thank you, angels. Thank you, Master. Master is my Master Joa Coxsweet and Master Rusli, with whom I have done under whose blessings I have got my Reiki and my pranic healing. So I just pray to them and I thank all of them and I thank the divine and I thank all the angels and archangels. So for me, they both are one. One time I thank him first, one time I thank him first. So today, I thought, why not? Let's even combine a message from my awesome man, my Merlin man, along with Baba's readings. Let's see what is it that they both are going to combine and weave the magic in all your lives. With patience and perseverance, you guys are going to see magic, that's for sure. Oh, that's a beautiful card. See, joy. Again, trust him, everything will fall in place. So I said, no, both of them are one same. It just says joy. Be happy, be joyful. Everything that you desire, you will get. Everything that you want, you will get. Now, before I close this video, I would like to tell you all, if you all feel guided, if you all feel the message is for you, leave a comment, like the video and leave a comment so that I will know how many of you are able to resonate with the message. It makes me more happier. And one more thing I want to say here, those who stay near any Baba temple, do visit his temple. Not necessarily it has to be on a Thursday, any other day also. Just go to his temple, sit there for some time, go to the Dwarka May of that temple, and when you come out, feed some stray dogs. You all know Baba loved dogs. Feed some stray dogs and see the happiness that Baba feels when you feed the stray dogs, and see how much in turn he blesses you. Don't do this because I am saying, do it with a beautiful and a happy heart. Tell him, Baba, I am feeding them not because I want you to do something for me, but I want you to be happy the way you have always kept me happy. So with that note, I am ending my session for today, and may Baba bless you all with all the happiness, and may Merlin bring all the joy and magic that you need in your life. Om Sai Ram.